Economists are highly educated people who predict the future growth rate of a country. They do a lot of research on consumer demand, economic development, unemployment and wages, government expenditure and tax revenues, income inequality and poverty, environmental quality, international trade patterns, and so on. In addition, they are the people who generally guide big business owners on their future business plan. Despite having so much knowledge and skills, it is being observed that economists aren't rich enough compared to investors. Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vora, and in this video, we will discuss why investors are richer than economists. So without any further ado, let's get started. There is a big difference in the mindset of an economist and an investor. Economists analyze the data deeply and then they make any decision. Whatever they do, most of them have the theoretical approach. On the other hand, investors do analyze when they should invest, but investors use practical approach in investing. And the practical approach of investing are accountable for quick decision. Because of theoretical approach, economists take so much time to make any decision. The second reason is economists have lack of common sense and patience. Don't get offended. Let me clear what I mean. When you learn so much about a specific thing, you simply cannot think just like a normal people. It is because when your profession tells you to think differently from common people. Economists know which are the best companies to invest. They do better research compared to any other investors. For instance, economists know that XYZ business industries have a great potential, but they overthink their own opinion and procrastinate for investing, and eventually they never invest. In addition, they forecast the future growth rate of a country, but they still have a lack of patience. On the other hand, great investors use common sense while investing. Let me tell you an interesting story. In 1990, Gillette, that is razor and personal care product company, launched a very first razor to have spring-loaded blades. Because of this, men could easily shave without harming their skin. It was a revolutionary product at that time. The company had launched the prototype of a product in 1989, and in the same year, the legendary investor Warren Buffett bought millions of shares of Gillette. Now that shares currently worth billions of dollars because Gillette becomes a worldwide popular company. This happens because the practical approach of Warren Buffett. I have another important thing to discuss with you all, that is an interview in 1987 where Warren Buffett stated on the cigarette industry. Warren Buffett told in an interview that I will tell you why I like the cigarette business. It cost a penny to a company, sell for $1. It's addictive. That's the fantastic brand loyalty. So this is where you can understand how simply Warren Buffett is thinking before making any investment decisions. So now let me conclude the video. Investing is simple and economists think too much and make it complicated. Having so much education is responsible for not making decisions quickly. Economists can give you advice where you should invest, how you should invest, and why you should invest, right? But generally they don't prefer to invest. So these are the reasons why investors are richer than economists. The main reason we can consider is decision making ability and thinking like a common people as well. I hope you like this video, and do share with your friends and let them know that why investors are richer than economists, and do subscribe to the channel, do like the video, and I will see you in the next one.